Okay, so I see one question from Shelley Walter. How do you handle, I think this may be for Brent, Shelley, so I'll go ahead and ask Brent, but how do you handle a situation where the offender is unknown? For example, leaving inappropriate items on a coworker's desk at night.
That's a great question. A couple of things to say about that. One, if it's truly unknown, employers have an affirmative legal obligation to conduct a good faith investigation. So rounding everybody up in the department, interviewing them individually is not over the line. That's in fact probably required. So you should be able to get to the bottom of it, is really what I'm saying. Additionally, what companies can do and what the law requires, what companies can do is require people to participate in an investigation. So if someone were to come forward and say, I've got a complaint, but I don't want to say about who, but there has been bad behavior, when the company conducts investigations, say, hey, Brent, I want to sit in your office. I've got some questions. You ever seen this? And people throw their hands up and go, hey, man, I don't want to answer questions. I don't want to get involved in this. An employer can go, you're fired. It is not retaliatory to punish people, even terminate people for their refusal to participate in the investigation. So I encourage my clients to be very strict that, that compliance with the investigation is mandatory.